Hey Jezebel gang, and welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So girl, we is finna get ready to go into Eagle Eye Outfitters. I need to pick up my clinical shoes. So we're gonna just head inside to see if they even have them in stock. Oh, I ain't even got that microphone. Hold on. I got too much going on. Too much going on. Um, to pick up some clinical shoes because I ain't even look that way. Girl, could have got hit by a car. But anyway, I'm getting ready to head in here so that I can pick up some clinical shoes. First of all, let's hope and pray, cross our fingers that they do have them in stock. So yeah, let's head inside, girl. I got this mic today because, like I said, ain't no more baby can't hear you, can't hear nothing you saying. So let's head inside and see what they got, girl. Let's head back here and see what they got. Already see the section that I need to be in, so let's head on back here where I think I'm gonna go with the 10. Yeah. Yeah, definitely going with the 10. The 10 looks really good. Feel good. So we'll go with that. What is wrong with my fingers today? Okay, here we go.
Okay, what's that first and last name?
First name is Jasmine, Jasmine. Last name is Worthy, Worthy. Email. First name.
We do already have coupons out currently, so anytime that you shop with us, even if it's online, we will always have coupons. Just as long as if you're online, you can look like
My lucky day.
if we already don't have coupons out, it's probably because we have a sale.
Oh, okay. You as well. Hey y'all, so we have actually made it to the shop. I just stopped by here so that I can get some stuff together for a VIP appointment that I have tomorrow. It is a home call, so it's a house call, so I have to get some things together for that. So I just stopped by the shop so that we can grab that stuff together for it. Yeah, I will say I feel so much better. I probably didn't tell y'all because I didn't, honestly, girl. I have not been in the blogging mood, but I have to press past how I feel because if I base everything on how I feel, I won't get it done. But yeah, earlier this morning, I woke up in a good mood, but my energy level was so low. Oh my God. So I was like, it's too early to be crashing out. It's too early in the day to be crashing out. So, girl went and got me some vitamins. Something I know I need. That's what the problem is. And I feel good. I feel good. I'm just floating through my day. All right, so let's go ahead and get what we need. The easiest hack, all my makeup artists, if you're watching, y'all probably already do this, but, and I probably done shared this before, but lately what I've been doing is I go ahead and separate all my brushes into these. I usually try to keep like 4 to 5 to 6 at a time locked and ready to go. Baby, game changer. So things are just ready and in place when I come in and I'm ready to start on my clients. Brushes is already clean, they're already separated. So yeah, loving that. Loving that. Gotta get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow, y'all. This is like a before hours appointment. So we gotta do. Make sure I got a powder puff and a beauty blender. I don't have my tripod, so you can't really see what I'm doing. But I packed everything in here. It's good to go. Got a beauty blender. Got bronzer. We got blush. Lip combo. We're gonna do NYX Butter Gloss. Gotta take a clear. I'm gonna also bring my Madeline. I don't know if she's gonna want a color lip, so we're just gonna bring red too, just in case. Red, like a mauve. Some options. So lips. And make sure that these are sharpened too. Yeah. A little bit. She normally just likes neutral and like gold tones. I need to clean this palette. So I'm just going to bring 2 palettes that have neutrals and gold tones. It's gonna get. We are back home. I'm gonna do a quick little haul of what I picked up from the grocery store. All right, so from the grocery store, I'm gonna make nachos tonight because I'm really not in the mood to cook. So I'm just making something super quick. Some Mexican cheese, hamburger meat, a bag of tortilla chips, Tostinos, salsa. Picked up a yellow onion. We got some salsa, and a corn, some jalapeno peppers. I just picked up 1 packet of the mild taco seasoning. I usually just homemade my own seasoning, which I am gonna do that, but I just kind of wanted to throw this in there, just add a little something. So that is all I got from the store. I'm gonna go ahead and dice up this onion so that we can go ahead and brown this meat because I'm ready to get it done because your girl is ready to let down. Okay. But not least, I picked up some knee-high peach soda. If you know, you know, baby. Growing up, childhood, core memory, these knee-high peach sodas. Yeah, put them in the refrigerator. Put a few of them in the freezer. Let them get chilled. Then yeah. Love. Hey, little bit preoccupied now. You won't need another girl. Hey. Hey, Jezidol gang. Girl, excuse me, it's in the background. I am actually getting ready to close out this vlog. The nachos from yesterday turned out so good, 10 out of 10. I did not get to show y'all the finished result, but they were delicious. I faced a very hard reality today, but I am not gonna let it get me down. I'm not gonna let it get me down and depressed. I am just going to press, and I'm just gonna press forward and do better. So with that being said, if you made it this far in the vlog, thank you so much for tuning in each and every week. If you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and join the Jezidol gang. And until Sunday, I'll see you guys this weekend. Bye.